So, you little rascals, are y'all programming away and feeling like learning some more? Well then, don't go anywhere and pay attention. Today, we're going to take a look at the ways to structure your code more clearly. Like most HTML tags, the tags that we are talking about don't influence graphical representation. However, they do structure the code in such a way that it's clear for everyone what's it all about. That's a good general principle to keep in mind as well. Structure your code clearly. This makes teamwork a lot easier later on. On top of this, the following tags work like a container that enable you to easily address the code segments again. First, let's have a look at the header tag. But don't mix it up with the head tag. Now you can add a title, a logo, and stuff like that. This tag helps makes it clear that everything inside of it makes up the website's header. The counterpart of the header tag is the footer tag. The footer is simply the bottom part of the website. It includes the copyright stuff, responsible person, contact info, and the like. Then there's the aside tag. The aside tag denotes the area that is not directly related to the topic. For example, similar topics or topics that are only related. Mostly, the tag will be on the site's side, the side of the site. Wow, I'm such a wordsmith. Now, another important tag is called nav. Nav consists of the entire navigation. So, stuff like links to other websites or other sections of the website. Something a bit like this. This leads you to different sections of the website, and all that is included in the nav tag. Another useful tag is the article tag. As the name suggests, you can use it to describe different articles. In other words, sections that discuss a certain topic and could be standalone pieces. Of course, this tag can also include images, tables, and other such stuff. There are many more tags that you can use to better structure your code, but you can easily find these and take a look at them for yourselves. Of course, it's not wrong to use divs. However, these tags will help you describe the codes more accurately. If your website and code is structured differently, then it might not be worth using these tags. Just have a look at the source codes of different websites to understand what I'm on about. For today, it's enough to remember the following. There are many HTML tags that can help you structure your code. These will help you recognize immediately where the code should be located and what it describes. However, these tags do not modify graphical representation. Of course, there are also more than enough layout elements in CSS for changes that you can actually see. So, what are you waiting for? Get clicking on through.